Love! Oo nga. Grabe naman, Angela. Totoo pala yung sinasabi ni Robin. Oo,
Sabi ko sa'yo.
ikaw rin talaga nag-aayos sa kanya.
All around yan.
Oh my gosh. Paano yan maalaga ka rin, Robin?
Opo, maalaga.
It's a tie. It's a tie. I love it. I know,
Maalaga.
but congratulations. Ito na, we're in January. 1
na.
week to go. Career-defining moment. Ito na. Bukas may mall, ano ba kayo? Tama ba? May
Sa
media
TV5
day.
po.
May
Exactly.
TV5
No, but you're
po.
also going to Mega Mall to promote. May
Oo,
makakapanood na nito for the first time.
Yes po.
Oh, gosh.
We're gonna be there with the exhibitors. Tama ba?
What rider are we gonna be on watching you guys?
Oh, it's gonna be an unexpected ride. You wouldn't expect na you'd be laughing and you'd be crying at the same time. Yun po.
Wow. Laughing? Talaga?
Yeah, nakakatawa rin po
Nakakatawa
siya.
din po siya.
Actually, yung isa nga na that caught my attention was yung sa second trailer, yung pinipigilan mo siya, 'di ba? Stop, go. Kamusta when shooting it? Did you break out of character? Kasi parang nakakatawa yung ginagano mo yung kanin. Para
Mahirap po kasi nakakasuka na. Kasi sobrang dami po. Nilulunok ko talaga kasi nanghihinayang ako sa pagkain.
yung rice.
Opo, lahat po ng kinakain ko doon nilulunok ko talaga. Pati yung pati po yung kamote.
Totoo.
Ayoko po, ugali ko po kasi yun simula nung bata ako, yung lola ko. Pag nagtitira ako, nagagalit siya sa akin pag nagtitira ako ng pagkain. So parang hanggang sa tumanda na ako, nakaugalian ko na yun na dapat lahat ng pagkain sa mesa ubos.
Oh gosh.
Basta ginalaw ko. Lahat po yung ginagalaw ko. Kaya lahat kinakain ko.
Ilang take yun?
Ang dami po, ulit-ulit yun si Direk na
Iba-ibang
pinaawa sa
angles po.
So, totoo na impacho ka? Di ka naman na
Opo.
nagkasakit pagkatapos?
Hindi naman, nagsusuka lang po ako.
Nawala
Totoo
din.
po yun.
Oo, grabe. Intense pala talaga. And like you being in character, naging werewolf ka for an hour.
Pero nag-enjoy po ako sobra.
Oo.
Sobra na-enjoy ko po yun. Kakaibang experience po yun para sa amin ni Angela.
Yeah, yung isa ring takeaway namin, no, sabi nyo parang, this is for the haters.
Mm.
Parang kanta lang, Oo.
It's actually not for them. It's for our loved ones. It's for
Aw.
our supporters who's been there since day one. Para po to sa kanila, sa mga nagmamahal sa amin at sa naniniwala sa amin.
That's good. But to clarify, it's because, syempre, no, you fuel
They fuel our
the
drive.
yeah.
Yes.
But the naysayers, like, they fuel you as well.
They do naman.
That-
They do.
Yeah. But grabe, that was very, you were disarmed and talagang you opened up saying that there was a time, I remember sinabi mo gagawin mong thesis tong topic na to, di ba?
Yes, pero I'm irregular, so wala pa ako sa course na yan.
Oo. But you plan to go on
I
and
plan
expand.
to cancel culture. Pero parang right now parang mas interesado ako sa hate. Kasi parang ang dali-dali magbigay ng hate lalo na pag online, people are easily agitated. Parang ang bilis nilang magalit. Parang di nila muna nadadigest kung ano yung nababasa nila before sila mag-react. And that's what I want to study.
Anong gusto mong message makuha nila about that? Siyempre, you guys are all eyes are on you. The entertainment space is, looking at you too.
I want people to know that behind these cell phones are actual people with real feelings. So we should be mindful of our words kasi hindi natin alam na tumatatak yan. And it can also cause mental health problems. So let's be mindful and let's be more sensitive.
Yes po.
Rap. Yun na yun.
yun.
Ganda.
Diba, detailed?
Oo.
Yun na po yung sinabi.
Oo. Pero at least kayong dalawa nga, no? Talagang your focus is talagang ibang level para ma-reach nyo yung what's next, di ba? Na hopefully MMFF, di
Sana
ba?
po, yun po talaga pangarap namin. Pangarap namin makapag-entry ng movie sa MMFF. Tapos, kagaya po na sinabi ko kanina sa DMs namin, meron nakapin na MMFF
Magkaka-MF tayo.
this year. Klaro po sa amin yun na yun yung pangarap.
Goal po na.
And speaking of, nag-trending kayo dahil sobrang galing. Di ba? Yung yung killing it, yung performance yung dalawa.
Yeah, hindi po namin in-expect.
Sobrang kaba po kami nun kasi
Ha?
one day lang po yung
No.
one day
Yeah,
lang
one day
tinuro
yun.
sa amin.
The day before.
The day before, tapos kinabukasan po, okay, run nyo isang beses, tapos pwede na yan. Tapos po, yun, nagawa naman po namin. Kaso nakakakaba po kasi nanonood sila, meme, guys. Pero Pascual,
Oh my God.
sila Nadine, so lalo po nakakatakot mag-perform.
Nung una po, hindi ako kinakabahan.
Oo.
And then na-realize ko, it's not a regular audience. These are people in the industry talaga. Tapos parang biglang bumaliktad yung chan ko. Sabi ko, Rob,
Oo,
kinakabahan.
hindi po kami mapakali bago po namin sayawin yun. Tapos ang saya po nung natapos na kami, sobrang saya namin.
Ang yabang pa namin
Oo.
mag-perform.
Hindi, nagulat. Actually, alam naman namin gano'n kayo kagaling, pero yung binigay nyo sa stage was beyond our expectations. Grabe. Like, wow, we thought you've been
Thank you.
practicing for like a month. Honestly.
One
Kaya
day.
nagulat ako na 1 day.
3 hours.
Yeah, 3 hours.
And speaking of Nadine,
Wow.
admin ka pala. Admin ka pala ng
Okay,
fans
so,
club niya dati.
Nung grade 6 ako, I had a friend from the lower batch, grade 5 siya. Tapos, siya yung head admin ng isang JDin fan page.
Oo.
And then, sabi niya, do you wanna be an admin? Kasi you're a fan of JDin din. Kasi we both love Diary ng Pangit.
Oo.
Tapos sabi ko, yes, please, gawin mo akong admin. So what we would do is, kapag nag-post yung Viva, we would screen cap it and repost it on our FB page. And umabot siya ng
No.
25K. And actually, tinatry ko siyang hanapin. Hindi ko na siya mahanap.
Ano pangalan ng admin page na yun?
JDin fan page. Unofficial fan page.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
Something
And
like that.
look at you now. People are making a lot of fan pages about you too. And you.
I can't believe it.
Galing na, no?
Ilang years
Full
ago
circle.
yun?
I was grade 6, so 2013, 2014.
Grabe. Para more than
11
10 years ago. Wow, and Angelo, you're Angelo now. Does that, is it that crazy?
It's crazy that I think about it kasi kapag tinignan mo yung phone mo, numbers lang may kita mo pero you don't realize that those numbers are real people who are actually following you and watching every move that you make. It's bizarre, but
And you know,
in a good way.
you've been there. You've
I've been there. I was the one reposting. I was the one fangirling, and now there are people fangirling sa akin
Oh.
na nakakataba ng puso at nakakakilig.
Ano sabi ni Nadine?
Kasi po yung pakilala po ni Mama Barbs, our manager, sabi niya, siya yung kumakanta ng kinakanta mo? Sabi ko, paligoy-ligoy po. Tapos sabi niya, ay, ikaw pala yun. Ganun siya. Tapos wala na po akong marinig. Parang wala nang pumapasok sa tenga ko. Wala na rin akong nakikita. Kinikilig na lang ako.
Grabe. Hindi, pero parang nataalala niya yung fan page niyo eh.
Para,
Di ba doon sa interaction, parang naaalala niya yung fan page
hindi
niyo.
naman po siya na-mention kasi nahihiya rin po akong i-mention sa
Minindito mo naman.
May nag-mention sa staff mo. May nag-mention sa staff. Kaya ako actually nakita ko lang na-pick up sa video.
Wait, I didn't
Yung
hear that.
interaction nyo, may
I really didn't
nag-mention.
hear that. Nahihiya.
Ayun, alam na namin lahat. Thank you for
Thank you
expounding
po.
that story.
Okay po, I don't know what to say. I'm lost.
Bale mo yung next MMFF mo with Nadine.
Oo.
Oh my God, I would
Mag-artist.
love that.
Oo, mga yun.
Oo.
Kinikilig po ako. Wala na po akong masabi talaga.
Oo. Wait lang, so,
Di ba, ano?
let's go to your series. Kailan yung next?
Wala pa po siyang date na definite. Pero ang alam lang po namin na details for now is that it's an anthology and 4 episodes. Tapos original po siya.
And malapit na kayo mag-taping.
Malapit na po kami mag-date.
Parang
This is
this
for
month.
the second season. Hindi, iba pa
Unahin
to.
muna po namin yung anthology.
Oh.
Mini-series.
Wow. For Viva 1 too.
Opo.
Yes, Viva One.
Oh, wow. What's it about?
Wala pa po kami nga
Hindi
story
ko
Idea.
po, hindi pa po napipitch namin.
Apa.
Oh, gosh.
Pero every episode is different.
Oo, ganun
Different
po siya.
story.
Ay, ang
different
galing.
Parang ibang characters po per episode.
So para yung range nyo makita rin lalo.
I'm excited kasi parang may narinig na akong part ng
Ako din.
plot.
Yung parang ikwento ko. Wag.
Wag ako ma-spoil again. Pero
Ay.
very exciting, something to look forward to, and something that you guys have been requesting.
Oh, wow.
Excited.
Congratulations, guys.
Thank you
you
so much,
po.
Miss M.
Next week, of course, yung message nyo lang to everybody who will go into the cinemas. Anong expectations?
Ngayon pa lang po nagpapasalamat na kami sa inyo lahat. Sa lahat ng mga pupunta po sa cinemas and sumusuporta sa amin. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Hello po everyone. Maraming salamat po sa pupunta at sa manonood. Sana po nag-enjoy po kayo kasama po ang pamilya nyo. Sana po marami po kayong natutunan at marami po kayong dadalhing aral po when you get home.
Oh, congrats.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.